When I mentor CDL companies, each one's unique. So I've tailored the guidance based on the need and the stage of the company. The entrepreneurs here have very strong, deep technical knowledge, but I find they're lacking in go-to-market. So the focus of my guidance is around go-to-market, especially in sales, marketing, and commercialization. What is unique about CDL is that we're getting to see technology which is very early in its evolution. And so understanding how to monetize it or whether there's a venture that can be created out of it is great, which is something you don't get to do very often. The Super Session is going to be a great opportunity to see the best of the world come together. And what I love about going with Melbourne peers and colleagues is the fact that we're going to represent Australian deep tech on a global stage, and which actually increases the chances of getting funding and making an impact.